Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl, Dr. Samara, and I am back with another video. If you haven't already, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free. And let's get into this video. I'm talking.
I don't know. It was around the time Biden got in office. I was just like, you know, something. I need to get into it, and I started with $500 in each trade, and I grew it up to like 3,000, and I grew it up, and I'm like, man, you know, I think the highest I got was around 10, and I was like, I need to find something that funds me. Like, is there something, something out there that gives me more money? And I found a couple before you all, and a horrible experience. I spent probably about $5,000 and way more than that for my time. Your tech support is great. You're fair pricing, you're competitive. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I think it's cool though, because you allow people who are familiar with MT5 to use their own strategy, their algos, their robots, if you want to. A lot of firms don't. So they kind of take the imagination out of trading, where you guys do not.
And guys, I just wanted to stop that real quick. But yes, a lot of y'all have reached out to me and asking, can I use my EA, basically your robot or some sort of copy and paste method to make your profits or anything like that? Is that something that SurgeTrader will just abide? And as you guys can see, no, they do not care. They do not mind. As long as you are putting in the stop loss, as long as you are not losing more than 1,000 a day. Like, guys, I don't know what else to say, but SurgeTrader is okay.
As far as the support, excellent. Emails are always answered. You've always been there to help. I just let Square ride one night, and I woke up to making $6,800, so in less than 24 hours. I was able to knock it out. When I first started, I was looking at these little indicators, these little robots and whatnot. So I hit algo trading on accident. I knew what algorithmic trading is, but I didn't know but they fixed that for me. And of course, you learn the hard ways in stocks. It's not a very forgiving market. So if you mess up bad. But I picked myself back up and I just kind of waited, and I perfected my strategy with paper trading. And then now I'm here as a funded trader. I was actually surprised because I was like, okay, cool. I'll wait till Monday, I'll wait the weekend, and I'm all pumped up, I'm like, Incredible Hulk and whatnot. And all of a sudden it's like, oh, I'm not gonna be doing it until Monday. Boom, email funded, boom, 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 like 2 hours. So I was like, wow. But I was already like so pumped that I was like, let me just calm down till Monday anyways, because I don't want to mess anything up and get pumped and hit something stupid, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it was very speedy, very, very fast.
And there you guys have it. This is a real funded trader who has successfully completed the SurgeTrader account. You guys have given me so many different questions on how long does it take for you to actually have your funded account once you pass the challenge, and literally you get it funded within hours. Like, what other prop firm do you know will do that? So again, guys, I hope this video was very useful and informative for you guys, and I hope you guys are ready to get started into prop firm trading. Of course, still have your other account, which is more so your compounding account. It is best as a trader to have two different accounts, one that is your baseline of income, and then the other one that is more so of a long-term investment. Okay, so if you haven't already, guys, go ahead and go like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is what? It is free. And see you guys next time in the next video. Peace. SurgeTrader is a prop trading firm that funds traders, enabling them to earn more profits on their trading activity. To become a funded SurgeTrader. Oh, fuck. Okay. SurgeTrader is a prop trading firm that funds traders, enabling them to earn more profits on their trading activity. To become a funded SurgeTrader, traders must first pass an audition to demonstrate their skills and discipline as competent traders. Upon successful completion, traders will receive a funded account of up to $1 million. Yes, guys, $1 million. Traders keep up to 90% of the profit they generate in their funded account. One thing that I like about SurgeTrader, guys, is that it is very simple to get started. And another thing that I really love about SurgeTrader, guys, is that you can actually use many different tools and indicators to help assist you to further accomplish the challenge, okay? And what prop firm do you know has access to the BK Forex? Yes, that's right, guys. You guys have 30-day membership with BK Forex, okay? And it is led by trading experts such as Kathy and Boris. Yes. So you have many different resources to help you earn and successfully complete the challenge within SurgeTrader. Good luck and happy trading.